Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create reminders in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create reminders in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to log in with your Notion workspace via the web app, which of course I've done right here. Then create a new page or use an existing one. Click on this pencil icon to create a new page, or just head over to the left navigation panel to choose from existing notes. I have my notes over here, so this is my page. In your new page, go ahead and punch the backward space button, and in the backward space button, so backward space, and go ahead and click on date. So date or reminder, and click on it. In the date speaker, go ahead and choose, so you can link to page or you can choose remind me. So this is remind tomorrow at 9 a.m. Click on that and edit it to remind when. Now set it to where you want the reminder to be done. Now select your date. Let's say I want it to be 25th of September as my date. And then go ahead and select the time. If you want to, that's date format and time zone, click on here and select the time. So this is 9 a.m. I want it to be 9 a.m. But if you don't want it to be 9 a.m., you can make it 10 a.m. Just go ahead and edit the time. So 10 a.m. 25th of September, and set the reminder. Now choose how long before the event you want to be reminded. So on the day of the event, of 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, let's say 10 minutes before, and that's it. Now you can choose your end date, or you can of course include time here, or you can choose end dates by clicking on this toggle to end it. So let's say I want my reminder to end at 12 p.m. You can choose to not add an end date, that's if you want to. So end date and end time. So start date is September 25th, 10 a.m. and end date and time September 25th, 12 p.m. Now once you're done, that is pretty much it. Now you have a reminder. You will definitely be reminded at this time once it's Wednesday 10 a.m. that's 25th September. You'll be definitely reminded according to the preference that you set it to be. You can also organize reminders in a database, which is optional. So go ahead and type in the backward slash, click on data inline, and then create columns such as tags or reminders, and create a column for date, create a column for status. And once you do that, filling your reminders as rows in the database, that's optional. Then I would like you to know that currently Notion does not support automatic recurring reminders directly. So for recurring tasks, you can just manually create duplicate entries or set reminders for each occurrence. You can also use a to-do list. That's by creating a to-do list block for quick reminders. And how do you do that? Backward slash to-do list and create a to-do list for that. So you can also check off tasks as you complete them. Ensure you have notifications enabled in Notion to receive alerts, and you can also check this in your account settings under notifications to ensure that you can receive alerts for notifications. So go ahead and click on settings and manage your account and settings from here from the left navigation panel. Now by following these steps, you can effectively create and manage reminders in Notion. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.